What's up, Odooers? Welcome back. Today, let's talk about how to manage failed products effectively using failure locations in Odoo's quality app. This feature allows businesses to automatically route items that don't pass quality checks to a designated location inside of the warehouse. Here at Stealthy Wood, we use quality checks on our oak dining table, a premium product that undergoes thorough inspection when received. And recently, some of these tables have shown surface defects, from minor cracks or finish issues during the incoming quality control process. Some tables are repairable, others are too damaged for recovery. To handle this, here at Stealthy Wood, we created two internal storage locations: the repair assessment zone for items that may be fixable, and then we have the damaged stock for items that are beyond repair. With Odoo's failure locations, the inspection team can decide at the time of the quality check which location items should be sent to. This prevents mix-ups and improves traceability, and overall just keeps damaged goods out of the sellable inventory. Let's see how we configure this and use this feature step by step. We're starting in the inventory app. To begin, we need to enable storage locations. So we'll click on configuration at the top, followed by settings. And here we're just going to scroll down to our warehouse section and tick and enable storage locations if you haven't already done so. This setting allows you to define internal sublocations within a warehouse, which is essential for organizing inventory and activating failure locations. Once this is enabled, you'll see a new field called failure locations appear on quality control points or QCP forms. This is where you define where failed products should be sent. If you're new to quality control points, we recommend reviewing our separate tutorial on creating QCPs linked in the description. Before we leave, we need to make sure we click save at the top to save all of the changes we just implemented. Now let's configure a quality control point to route the damaged tables to the correct failure location. We're going to head back to our main dashboard and hop into our quality app. Here, we're going to navigate to quality control followed by control points, and I'll create a new QCP by clicking new here in the top left, and we're just going to title this one Oak Table. And for our products field, we're just going to add our oak dining table. So for under operations, I'm going to select warehouse receipts so that checks run when products are received from our suppliers. And here on the right, we have our control per field, and I'm going to leave this set to product. This means that a quality check is requested per product. Something to note, it used to be that you can only select a failure location when quality was selected in the control per field. However, this was changed as of Odoo 18.2, and now you can select a failure location for any quality control point, regardless of this type. For the type field, we're going to keep this set to pass-fail, and under failure locations, we're going to select our damaged stock, as well as our repair assessment location. Selecting both of these options will allow the quality team to decide where to send the failed items after the check. Now, we also need to add some instructions for our quality team. In the instructions tab here, I'm going to give them some guidance. And this is so they know what to look for when performing the quality checks. Great. Next, I need to make sure I'm telling the team what to look for if the product fails. This is especially important because after the product fails, they need to choose where to send it to. So here in the Message If Failure tab, I'm going to add some more instructions, just like so. Perfect. Now that we have everything squared away, let's test this out. It's time to head over to the Purchase app, so I'm just going to click back to our Odoo main dashboard. Here, I'm going to go ahead and hop into our Purchase app and then click New in the top left corner to create a new order for dining tables, and we're going to order this from our good trusty vendor, Azure Interior. Here on the Products tab, I'm just going to add our oak dining table, then confirm the order. Once I receive the product, I can perform a quality check through this quality checks button that appears. So once my team and I take a look at the tables that we received, we can determine their condition. And honestly, this one's not looking too good. This is a for sure fail. The finish is covered in tiny scratches, so I'm going to click fail here. Now, here's where I can decide which location to send the damaged products to. Luckily, the instructions I configured before are listed right here. I see some damage to the desk surface, but I think our team can re-wax the surface and buff out the scratches, so I think we're going to send this to our damaged stock. And once I make my selection, I just have to click confirm. And finally, I'll click validate on the purchase order so I can confirm that the products were sent to their correct location. Hopefully, our repair team can work their magic on them because I have a few customers waiting for these tables. And there you have it. Configuring failure locations on our quality checkpoints is an easy way to ensure that damaged items stay out of the active inventory and to route repairable goods to the right place. It's a simple but powerful way to improve warehouse operations and quality assurance, all while maintaining traceability. Thanks for following along. We'll see you in the next video.